Hey everybody, my name is Max, and today I'm going to be showing you my dad's crazy cool gadget bike. First of all, I'm going to show you the solar panels. We have little flexible solar panels that plug in under the seat, and then they are controlled by this solar panel controller, which makes sure the battery doesn't get overcharged, which can be pretty bad for the bike.
Hi, I'm Maddie, and I'm going to be showing you the gadgets that turn on the lights. First, you have to turn on this little switch, which turns on the devices and helps turn on the lights. And it can be easily done by this control, which is one of the many controls needed for this bike. And it can change color too. And can even change color depending on music playing in the background or headset attached. Oops. There.
Alright, hey, I'm back, and I'm going to show you the gadgets on the front of the bike. So the first one is this one, and it has a little heads-up display, and they're all controlled with this remote. And it shows the temperature outside, the percentage of the battery, and the voltage the bike's using, I'm pretty sure. And then this is the camera on the back of the light where the license plate is. This is the police radar, and this is the GPS, which should turn off.
Whee! Now it's my turn again. Now, I'm also going to be showing you a neat little feature of the license plate just mentioned. It can move up and down. And at the same time that it's moving, the camera is also moved.
And final feature, this is a USB port. You can charge stuff in here if you like.